I can't keep a straight face. I'm having too much fun with this next tree coming up right here on my take on home and garden. Folks, you know you're getting 12 trees for the 12 days of Christmas, as usual. Now, I gotta tell you, we got a different theme, but it is in the same room with the vintage. So it's gonna be another vintage tree, but it's going to be automotive is the idea. Here's too cute. I got the die cuts in antique cars, trains, and look at these, you guys. Now that's not all we're using, of course. There's a favorite. And besides the die cuts, we're using real cars in the tree. Stay tuned for fun. In the C7 LED, I've got this string of 100, and it has red or green, or it can change. So I'm going to try it changing, see if that drives me nuts or not. And then we have our wonderful classic multicolored C7 lights for that vintage look. And this one is just kind of a pulsing, and I do like that one. That doesn't drive me nuts. I used it last year. If you saw our vintage tree last year in the loft. So here we are, picking out a couple of ribbons with our red and cream plaid again for this tree. Okay, just loving that. There's only one of those left. Now I've got a couple of big rolls of this one. Really good. Christmassy. Am I upside down? That was upside down. There we go. This is going to look very traditional and very pretty. Now I want to show you some of the smaller car ornaments that Angela had gotten me over the years. Gotta have a Woody taking a tree home. Here's another one with the surfboard. Here's a big truck taking the tree home. And where are you gonna go, guys? The gold pickup truck, just full of gifts and the tree. Coming home just in time for Christmas. So let me show you how we're hanging our bigger cars. Okay, we're taking a piece of electrical wire here, 12 gauge. Needle nose pliers, we're bending a hook and doing that again at the opposite end, the opposite way. So we end up with an S hook. Okay, it's no big trick, but you have to reach back in deep and get a hold of that heavy limb rod, okay, in the tree. I'm gonna hook one end through the windshield. I want this in here, and I'm reaching way back, way in under to hook that branch. The thickest part of that branch rod. You see, I can go a little further there. That's where I want to be. And put it on a little tilt, like she's coming around the bend, winning the race, and kicking some Butkowski. That ought to do it. Now you new folks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And check out those stores. You can get a sharp looking t-shirt, pants, coolie, travel mug, you name it. Jumpsuit, golf bag, We got it going on. Check out the links for our Etsy store called My Take on a Vintage Shop, and our spring store for your My Take logos and gorgeous wear. Alrighty. Thanks everybody. Come join our happy family.
Now don't you act so coy. Let us go and fill all the little children's hearts with joy. Rudolph, my dear, you know the forecast ain't clear. So will you please light the way and lead old Santa sleigh? Yeah, lead old Santa sleigh. Come on and lead old Santa sleigh. Hey, let's do it one more time, one more time.
Okay. 3 times this train jumped the track. Now I should be ready. Let's try it. Hasn't jumped off yet. Man, there's nothing like a train under the tree. Hot dog! Woohoo! Folks, if you liked our video today, give us a like, a share, a comment, tell a buddy. Send over some more train cars or a carload of friends. Come on over. I'll let you play with the train. Take care, everyone. Get your Christmas on, have fun, and we'll see you Monday. You won't want to miss next week. Coming soon. Take care, guys. Bye now.